What's the guy? Wake up! Element big up. It may have black at zero wedge body. The review remaro. No, yours I could see. No, but no subscriber. Dear could say, Jane. Look, but two and be alone with your high, no? Two and be alone with your high, no? Add out draw. Two and be a lobo. Logo ye two a mamma see that as a Joe and Louis Bono Edda. Commonly looted as a pinama. Yara, near but no commonly baby, never my dear and near my little comma. Kuna said, dear, child baby jabba look. No, thousand Jamari. As we know, the chase only the great garden. Gule, but young one on Maule. Not no vows, Joe. Dimas by the Luya Ramati, no leba, Madame looked at you. A pretty dear by Mamma. Deal, có nghĩa là vậy. Con lý được để chia sẻ lại gì ạ? Xí xầu tôi chỉ làm ấy. Xí xầu đi. Xí xầu tôi chỉ là xí xầu bà sẽ cảm ơn đấy. Xí tiri rồi nhau gì đấy. Xí tiri nhau này rồi cho ra đấy. Nên cô rồi quest rồi nhà mình nghe đã cha. Sunflower. The vine the khu đấy. Oh, did it. Live like that. Limit that. Limit that see you about it. Tapa pa tayo mà đi mà yawa mà làm gì? Em rồi giống sao đi làm rồi. Nó sẽ cố thiệt tại gì ạ? Nó sẽ cố số đó. Update gì ạ? Đó chi vậy? Chào quay lại mẹ. Bị dòng sao mẹ? Really? Update ạ. Ta bé. I want to say this is the plan. Okay. Okay, nó sẽ tông sẽ không quan trọng tại vì số đó tông west không số ba幺sao được vậy? Ba quay lối vậy được rồi. Suy chỉ là đã. Em sẽ nói đi em lấy liều nào lấy video thì mà đấy anh mình nó sẽ kêu bài đi bye bye. Bye. Có nghĩa là vậy. Con lý được để chia sẻ lại gì ạ? Xí xầu tôi chỉ làm ấy. စိတ်လျှော့လေစိတ်လျှော့သွားခြင်းလားစိတ်လျှော့ပါစကားမှပဲစီးတဲ့တွေရောက်နေတယ်စီးတဲ့တွေရောက်နေတယ်လို့ကြားတာပဲမန်ကိုရော grass တို့ညာမမြင်ရတာကြာ sunflower တပိုင်းတစ်ခုတည်းအိုးတဲ့လိုက်တဲ့တာ limited စီးလေပေါက်တယ်ဒါပပတရားအောင်မှာဒီမှာရောက်အောင်မလားမသိအဲ့ဆိုရောင်းစားကြည့်လိုက်အောင်မယ်29ဖြစ်သွားပြီ29ဆိုတော့ update ကြီးကတော်တော်ကြီးရယ်ဒါဝယ်လိုက်မယ်ပြီးရင်ရောင်းစားမယ်လွယ်လေး update ရဒါပဲ I want to say this is the plan okay โอเค28 39ကွန်ကျက်သွားပြီဆိုတော့3 west ခွန်ဆိုဘာရောက်စားလို့ရတယ်ဘာဝယ်လို့ရတယ်ကြောတာဈေးကြည့်လိုက်တာအဲ့ဆိုတော့ဒီ update လေးကိုနားလည်ပြီးလို့ထင်ပါတယ်အားလုံးပဲနှုတ်ဆက်ခဲ့ပါလေ bye bye ဘိုင်